Enter master information. Enter admin password. Enter again. 001 Successful. Select the number key for next step. 1 Face 2 finger. 3 password 4 card. Enter fingerprint. 010 Successful. Enter fingerprint. Enter password. Enter again. 11 Successful. Enter password. Sure. Successful. Please adjust your position. Please look up. Please look down. Please turn left. Please turn right. 013 Successful. Select the number key for next step. R app. 1 Wireless pairing. Open usmart Go app. Add device. Select Wi-Fi. Connect to the network as prompted. Select Wi-Fi. Please wait for the configuration network. Select your Wi-Fi. Edit completed. Follow the prompts. Press the doorbell. Phone receives the unlock request and open the video intercom. Hello. Hi. Hi. Video intercom. The phone has unlocking records. Press the video icon to view the outside situation. 5-inch HD screen.